How do you adjust audio level on a clip in the FCPX timeline? Yes. How you will adjust the audio of a clip?
We can also select the audio clip and do through the inspector window.
Huh?
Through window, right? And also we can raise and increase and decrease the loudness volume.
The band, audio band.
The audio band on the
Okay.
timeline itself.
Exactly. Let's see one more time. This is audio band. Okay. We can hover the mouse over to audio band and we can drag the levels. We didn't drag the dBs. We'll adjust the dBs, but we never drag the dBs. dB will remain at 0. We have to adjust our volume to that dB. Or we can select the clip and go to our audio properties, and here we can adjust the volume. There are two ways. Yes, Deb. Next. Who will read this question? Dave will read.
When you move clips in the primary storyline that have connected clips attached, what happens?
Hmm. Sandeep? When you move clip in the primary storyline, what is primary storyline? Okay. That have connected clips. What is connected clips? Yes, exactly. Then what will happen if we move the clip on the primary storyline?
The attached clips will also move.
Yes. Huh? No need to remember.
Both the clips will move.
Definitely. This is the main answer. Like these are the clips. This is the clip who's connected to this primary storyline. If I move this clip, this is also get moved. This is what I am asking for. Okay. Sandeep, read. Hmm. How do you create secondary storyline? What is secondary storyline? Yes, Dev.
By creating gap clips.
By creating gap clips. Yes. What is secondary storyline?
We can put clips on the primary line.
That is overlaying, not secondary. What is secondary? Primary, you know.
Yeah.
है ना? What is secondary storyline? Anyone?
Above the gap clips are no secondary storyline.
The clips above that primary storylines are called secondary storyline. No. They are insert clips, overlay clips, or a B-roll clips. They are not secondary storyline. Anyone? No. These are not secondary storyline. I told you about when we'll select the clips and right click and create story. This is secondary storyline. In this way, we created another story above this storyline. And this will work same like this storyline. If we'll delete something, everything will get shifted. It will not affect our main timeline at all. We can even shift delete. Same way we are using the primary storyline, we are using this secondary storyline as a insert connecting clips. Okay. He'll say, yes.
perform or repel edit.
Which tool will use to ripple edit? Don't click on system. Yes, Dave.
Like trim to line.
Trim tool.
The repel edit will automatically
हाँ,
adjust
तो हम किस टूल का यूज करते हैं कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली रिपल हो जाता है? सिंक. एनी अदर? संदीप? नो? हाँ जी, चेक कर लिया? यश? How do we perform ripple edit? To ripple edit this clip, what I have to do? I have to select this clip and then perform a delete. And to selecting a clip, which tool we are using? The selection tool. So by selection tool, we are ripple deleting the clips.
First way.
Trim means trimming. हाँ, ये ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है
सर मेरे दिमाग में से निकल गया था।
क्योंकि हम लोग सिलेक्शन टूल को बहुत इजीली ले लेते हैं. We don't have to take any tool very easily. पोजीशन टूल का अपोजिट नहीं है. Yes, position tool, the name itself is suggesting the power. Like position, it's not changing the position of your storyline. It's just changing the position of the clip between your storyline. What is storyline? From this in point to this out point is our storyline. This whole in a lump sum is a storyline. Okay, from start to end which we have to export is our storyline. So what position tool is doing? We can move clips on our storyline at any place with position tool, but we cannot move, we cannot change with selection tool. This is the difference between position tool and selection tool. Okay, the OTS shot is from one person's shoulders to another person's reaction. So is it need to be close-up shot? Yes, shot composition can be changed, but the
Sir, aim will be over the shoulder.
yes. So what is point of view? Yes.
It's like seeing through someone's point of view.
Exactly.
Subjective perspective.
Exactly. When we'll show the shot in relation or in perspective of the subject, that is point of view.
Sir, it can be anyone, sir. We can show.
Yeah, the cat is coming and it's looking there for a mouse. So the perspective of finding that mouse with a camera angle is called perspective of that cat. Yeah, है ना? Even a bird view is a perspective of that bird angle, है ना? So that is point of views. It can be any. The person, the sniper searching for a target is a point of view shot of that sniper. Okay, so now we come on another topic, that is rating our clip and filtering our clip. So we already so much discuss about organization of clips. Then why we have to do filtering? Okay, now you will come to know why we have to do these filters. When I go to my browser window, I play my clip. How do I play my clip? JKL. L or spacebar. Huh? Okay. And if I want to loop playback from in to out, then J will reverse, K will pause. not stop, pause. And L means
Our
forward or play. If I want to play, like I'll placed my in point here and I placed my out point here, and I want to play from this in point to out point, what I have to do is I have to go to this in point or play the button, or there is a shortcut says question mark. If I'll play the question mark, it will go to in. हाँ एक्चुअली वो इनबिल्ट में लगाया हुआ है इसीलिए. सो व्हेन वी प्ले विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, व्हेन वी हिट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, what the clip will do, it will go to the end point.
और बबलू अभी क्या मंगवाया बबलू से यार? हेलो बबलू, ये क्या है?
And it's start looping.
हाँ
Okay, by this we can precisely look to our audios or some corrections.
इसका जो माइक है वो इसके पीछे है।
इसके पीछे
वो आवाज लग रही है इससे।
मुझे भी लगा कि पहले कि मुझे लगा शायद वो सिस्टम की आवाज आ गई है. तो this is how we'll loop play from in to out. Okay, now the second part, if I want to change this in point or out point, what I have to do is, again I have to re-decide my new in point and press I, so it will shift to new in point, or in a same way it will shift to new out point. Okay, if you want to remove this in point, okay, if you want to remove this in point or this out point, what you have to do is option I, it will reset the in point. Okay, sometime we have to do this, or we can do option O to reset our out point. Okay, or I placed my in and out and I want to remove this in and out in one go. I want to reset this in out and make a clip as it is. So what I have to do, I have to perform option X to reset this in and out. Why we have to remove this in and out? Because sometime we placed or marked our in and out shot. We'll track this on our clip. Now if we ever in future want to move this clip to the timeline, it will only move this in out from this in and out between the duration. So to reset this clip, what we have to do is we have to reset this in and out. So we'll place option X to reset the in and out points. So will it work on timeline too? Will this command work on timeline? If I want to export from this point, okay, so what I have to do is place in point. Okay, I want to take export till here, I'll place out point. So in a same way, this in and out is also working on timeline. So can I reset my in point? Let's do it. Option I, reset. Okay, option O, reset, but it's resetting to the nearest point, cut. Okay, so if I'll play option X, it's removing in and out. So same way it's working in clips in a browser, a same manner it's working on a timeline. Even in this clip, so if I'll click on this clip, how much is the duration of this clip? 7 seconds and 20 frames. Okay. So if you want to change or see the duration of the clip, the shortcut command is, I think, Control D. No. I don't know. D. No, D is for the. So you can right click and change duration. That is Control. Oh, अच्छा वो फिन दबरा था. Control D. Option नहीं. Do you know this sign? This little sign. This is the sign of control. Okay, and this is the sign of shift. This is the sign of option, and this is a sign of command. Okay, so if it's showing the upper arrow with the alphabet, it's showing Control D. This is showing option G. This is showing command G. So if I'll click Control D, here it's showing the duration. It's again showing 7 seconds and 20 frames. So if it's showing here, then why we need this one? We need this one if I want to make this clip to 5 seconds. So how we calculate our clips? First of all, if I'll click 5, it come to frames. Then I'll click 0 seconds. Now it's showing 2 seconds, and if I press enter, the shot get trimmed to 2 seconds. So very easy way to trim the clips. Or let's say I'm playing this video.
क्या बना रहा है ये?
Till here I want to take this clip. Nothing else I want from this clip. How we are doing the edit previously? I don't want this clip from here. What I have to perform is, I have to cut this clip. I have to select this clip and delete this clip. Either ripple or delete. So now I want to change the duration, or I can do trim to this point. So these are all taking too much of steps to complete to perform our edit. So the easiest way to perform this edit is option right bracket. The clip automatically trimmed to our desired location. Option right bracket. Bracket close, we can say. So now it's getting more easier to edit the clips. Or if we want to take a clip,
है क्या ये?
like I want to take a shot from hai kya ye. So I want to sharpen my in point, and to sharpen my in point, what I have to do is I have to go back some frames. So what I'll do, I'll place a back arrow, single frames. I go to sharp my in point. Now I selected my in point. What I have to do is option bracket in. That clip automatically trimmed to our position.
What this tool would be called there if I wanted to select from there? Option bracket.
So this is actually a trimming tool, but this option doesn't in the tool. It's in the command, but it's not in the tool. This is not a tool actually. It's a edit command.
There is the command if I wanted to follow there. So
it's in edit or maybe something. I'll I'll check because I know each and every part has a shortcuts. So maybe I'll check where it is. But this is basically we are using a playhead to take ins and outs or trimming the clips. That is basically a marking a range or marking or edit or removing the range. Go to range start, go to range end, previous frames. Here you will find each and every in marks or trim start, trim end. So no tool of this can perform this edit because it's not a tool, it's a command. Okay. So what another thing in this tool we have to do is sometime we need to overlap our shots. Overlap means I have to move this clip to the left side but don't want to change the duration of my edit. Like I'll cut here. I don't want to change the duration of this time, but I want to change the endpoint of this clip. So if I'll change the out point of this, it will give a gap. Or if I change the in point of this clip, it also create a gap. And if I move it back, it will overlap. So now what tool we use? We use trim tool. We'll click on trim, we'll select this cut, and now we can move back and forward. No gap is coming in between this trim, and we can create a pause, or we can overlap our shot on another video. Okay, so this is trim tool. We can trim. First of all, we have to match the cut, then we can trim to our desired location, whether we want to use this shot as a starting from here or previous shot to be end at this point. Okay, this will work very well for fictions as well as for interviews cutting. Another thing, sometimes we have to overlap our audios. Like I want this audio to start first and then cut to the second shot. This kind of editing is called L-cut editing or J-cut editing. So what is L-cut and what is J-cut? Let's come to this place. So these are the two clips on a storyline. Okay, I want this shot, this audio to come from this point. Okay, I can even select position tool and I'll move this clip in between this audio. Now the audio is overlapped to the shot and then the video will start cut. So for this what we have to do is we have to take our shot in between bottom of that clip and perform, and then the video is there. The two audios are going at the same time. So now we can expand these audios. How? I'll click right and expand audio component. So now video and audio get separated. Even there is an in point or out point for audio as well as video. even I can expand this video clip too. Now I perform cut and I'll place this shot. Okay, now what happened? If I'll expand and collapse this audio now again,
क्या बनवा रहा है ये?
just a bit error. Again we'll perform. Okay, I think
सर ये वाला दोबारा बता दें।
हाँ ये वाला दोबारा बता रहा हूँ।
कोई चीज समझ नहीं आए पूछ लो अभी, और जरूरी
क्योंकि ये दीज आर वेरी वेरी प्रिसाइज एडिट्स जिसको हम यूज़ करते हैं एडिटिंग के अंदर, एंड इट हैज़ टू बी गेट क्लियर्ड. So now if I am playing,
क्या बनवा रहा है ये?
these two audios are coming, so I don't want this audio to get overlap. I want this audio to get overlap. So what I'll do, I'll start the edit, or
क्या बनवा रहा है?
this. I'll cut at this shot, I'll delete this shot. Now I'll take back this audio. So what I did is previous shot with audio, then the overlapping of audio, and then the video will come. This is called J cut. This is the cut and the audio come first. So it's a shape of J. That's why we are calling it a J cut. यानी कि audio overlapping and performing a video cut. So the final movie which I showed yesterday, having lot of reactions, L cuts and J cut edits. In fictions, in films, in linear editing, we are always using this kind of edit. Okay. Time save कैसे? ऑडियो पहले, ऑडियो पहले या बाद में क्यों देते हैं? हाँ एक्चुअली क्या है, इफ इट्स गो कट टू कट, द व्यूअर विल नॉट गेट अ फीलिंग ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन, है ना. For feeling of conversation, we have to overlap videos or audios onto others' reaction. So for that we are using, now if this is not the right shot, I'll use Naved's another shot like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll use this one.
Yeah.
Let's use this as a, remove this. What I'm doing in, I'm switching between position tool or selection tool. Position tool, we can place audios on our storyline or videos on our storyline, but on position tool, on selection tool, we can't, we only can insert. Okay, but with position tool we can overlap, so the story will not get changed. So what I did is, there is a black, I'll delete this black.
क्या बनवा रहा है ये?
Now सर ये आरजे नावेद है. So there is no audio on this. Why? Because it's selected as a video only. So now what I have to do is, okay, I'll make it late. It's another topic. As for Snap, and now I'll perform again QEdit, and now the audio. shift delete, I'll take a position tool, I'll mark it on this. Now I'll take ये यहाँ रख. After that I want a overlap sound of that person and then cut to his face.
क्या मंगवा रहा है ये?
है ना. और if I want क्या मंगवा रहा and then है ये on his face, what I have to do is I have to shift back some. Wait. क्या मंगवा रहा. Then on है I want his face to come. What I have to do is I have to cut this clip. Okay. फर्स्ट इसीलिए आज बता रहा हूँ ना, मुझे पता है, इसीलिए आज बता रहा हूँ. तो if I'll perform this edit, what it's going, it's creating a gap. Now what tool I have to use is selection, because I want to remove that gap, and selection tool always do ripple, and position to never ripple. So I'll remove till here. Okay. Now I'll push this clip back. So pushing this clip back is a part of position because I don't want to change in storyline. Okay. Now I have to push this in point at this point. So what I am using is trimming tool, positioning tool, selection tool, and performing an edit.
क्या मंगवा रहा है ये?
है ना. The different field.
क्या मंग
Now I also want from ye. So I'll just trim at this.
क्या मंगवा रहा है ये?
So I performed an edit. Or if I don't want to use this storyline for my edit, what I can do is, let's do in this way. I don't want to use this storyline for my edit. What I have to do is I have to take this audio track. So to take this audio track, I have to perform Q. Now it's inserting. Okay. Now I have to take a second shot. I think this is the shot. Okay. I'll place in and out. I performed another cue. Because this storyline is not extended to here, so that's why you are getting black. What I have to do is I have to increase this audio. Now there are two clips, not on storyline but on overlay. Okay. The easiest way, I figured out my place where I have to put reaction. I'll place a marker on it, and to place a marker I have to make M as a marker, marking in. Now I am using markers to get to placing me videos and audios at the desired position. And to use a marker, you have to go to mark and add marker. Okay. So now I placed my marker here. Now I'll find so he is putting the TV here. So it's already dropped onto floor. So we mark this point. So we have to match cut. And at this place the TV has taken to the ground. So we'll mark this point too. Now we know this and this marker is matched. So what I have to do is I have to take my cursor here. I have to option right bracket and cut this clip here. I have to go this place and option left bracket to cut this, and we'll drag and join this. This is the simplest way to edit the clips. No need to go in that typical magnetic timeline edits. So this will save so much of time. Or you will not figure out that the cut is there. This is why the public never understand that there are cuts, because we match cut the motions. So match cutting is the exact editing we always try to
Also
perform.
known as a cut on the movement. Movement means object or hand or anything which
So
is moving. So it has to match with the previous shot with the later one.
sir. Actually, a movement can be of camera movement or a artist movement or a dialogue movement. The match is action start on one clip, ends on another clip. That is match cut. If a person enters a door, he'll open the door and enters on second cut is a match cut. A person tried to sit on a chair, but sitting on a chair on another shot is a match cut.
Suppose one person is opening the doors, and the second cut will be from inside the door, open.
But we don't have to cross axis. I told you about 180-degree axis. If a person is opening a door and
एक बहुत अच्छा वीडियो और PTV एक्सेस को लेकर
हाँ सर, मैं भी उसके ऊपर वर्क करेंगे. तो 180-degree movement, if he is on a left hand of a frame in previous shot, if he want to enter, then also you have to place that person on the left hand side of that frame, then it will get matched.
Match cut is always easy if it is a two camera setup footage. Because the same action is being captured simultaneously with the two camera at the same time, right? But if you are using a single camera and then you take half of the action of the door opening and then you go another position and then you take a long shot. If the movement of the artist is not exactly the same, what my point? Then it is little difficult. Particularly in a dance, I did a film of 25 minutes long where I committed the biggest mistake of my life, that I shot with a single camera. And in a dancer, in a long shot, dancer is throwing her hand like this, and in a close-up, it is like this. So if in a close-up, if hand is going like this, and in a long shot, if it is going like this, so then you will match. You got my point? So that was, since it was a government film, I could fool around, but it was a tough time for editor to edit the film. It was only a Sim Sinha who could manage it, otherwise it was very, very difficult to edit that film because match was not happening on the movement. How to cut that film?
So if you will not get appropriate footage, you even can't do anything. You have to do your best to match.
You will waste a lot of time in finding the
Exact point.
But in a multi-camera setup footage, two setup of the same time. Multi-camera means same action is being covered by two camera or three camera. Then on the same timeline, wherever you would cut, it will match.
Definitely.
Wherever, because it is a same action recorded by two cameras simultaneously. So the mistake can't happen.
So
And it's one of the reasons why songs and fight sequences
always
are shot with two camera or three cameras.
even
Because same action is being covered simultaneously. So wherever you would cut, it will match.
it will match. Okay. Now we want this dialogue. Now it's okay. What we learned is trimming the clips, placing the match cuts, and even going beyond this storyline. So now you even don't have to edit on this storyline. You can straight away edit your clips to this and use this storyline as just part of trimming. How? I'll cut here. I'll use it as a trimming points. not as a editing points. This will make your work more easier. This is the reason why editors don't want to come to Final Cut Pro, because they don't know this style of editing. Now, as I introduced this, I want to find secondary dialogue, the second dialogue of this clip. What I have to do is I have to find again. I have to relocate the clip, and even I don't know. How can I know? By this number. But the finding clip in browser from timeline is more easier. We can right click on it and reveal in browser. It's automatically lead to that video. Now I'll play, or even I can go to Shift O. It will drag to this out point in the browser, and now I'll play. Now I'll take second dialogue. What is the second dialogue? लिटा दे इसको. And I'll take out. So let's perform. Cut. I want to cut here. I'll perform a cut edit. Okay. It cut. Now what I have to do is I have to insert. So to insert, what I'll do, okay, I'll select and cut. Now I'll drag this clip as an insert. Now I'll again perform a Q edit. I don't have to do inserts, replacing, overlapping. I'm just performing overlay editing, nothing else. I'm making my spaces and overlaying my footage. No other editing style I'm using. So you can edit your total video with this overlay edit. If you want to overlap, just overlap your video. If you want to increase the video length, or you want to increase this video part onto this audio, you just have to perform this right trim. But this video will not get played because the upper layer get more importance. Whichever layer is on upside, it will get played when I place my cursor on that. So for that you have to drag this clip upside. But sometime when we drag this clip up, it will get synced out because our cursor will get left or right at some position because we are not stable. So to make it stable movement, we'll hold shift while dragging up. Now it will not move even I am moving my cursor left or right. It stick to its position and I can easily move the tracks up or down. It will not go left or right. How hard I am doing this, and look how hard I am doing this. It's not going anywhere. So this is, now if I want to place this video up and want to use this video as a overlap video to this audio, now what kind of cut it performed? It performed a L cut. So the J cut is audio first and then cut to video, and L cut is video first and then cut to audio.
ये डिसीजन जो है एडिटर तब लेता है जब डायरेक्टर वहां नहीं बैठा हुआ, अपने हिसाब से काट दिया उसको. जब वो डायरेक्टर आएगा तो बोलेगा नहीं 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 ऐसे नहीं, इसको ऐसे करो. तो देन यू हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट सेट. अब तुम बटन ढूंढ रहे हो कौन सा बटन किधर है, तो फिर वो
Like at one point, like sir explained, you performed this edit and director told कि no, we don't want to use L cut, we have to do J cut.
वो एल और जे बोलेगा ही नहीं, वो बोलेगा मुझे उसका वही शॉट चाहिए.
हाँ वो basically,
नॉन टेक्निकल टर्म, देन यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू डू एल और क्यू.
or he'll say कि don't cut to this shot, stick to that audio. So what you have to do is just trim that audio straight away.
लेटा दे इसको.
कट, ओके। या फिर वो बोलेगा इसको ओवरलैप कर दो उसके ऊपर, नहीं बोलेगा वैसा। देखिए डिपेंड करता है आप किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो। इफ़ यू वर्क with the good directors, they know each and every part, they know L cut, they know J cut, they will not say इसको इसके ऊपर कर दो। एंड इवन अगर आप दूरदर्शन में जाके कभी काम करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली दे विल से दाग लगा दो। व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ दाग लगा दो इज मार्कर लगा दो। तो you have to work with all these kind of persons. So mark in dog. तो I worked with these kind of people. तो
गुलजार जब डायरेक्टर बना था शुरू में, because he was a script writer, lyrics writer. So when he became director first time, he will tell his cameraman, because there was a batchmate who was assisted Gulzar Saab on one of the films. So Gulzar will say to his cameraman, इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो। बड़ा करो मतलब closer वाला।
Zoom.
So he was not using the terminology, but he was conveying his thought कि थोड़ा इसको बड़ा।
जी।
So he will not say L Q A M ये कट वो कट, that is your headache to figure it out whether it's L cut or M cut or U cut or Q cut. He will say कि वो ऑडियो वही रहने दो, विजुअल को आगे ले।
हाँ, that is
what he wants.
विजुअल आगे लेना इज L कट, ऑडियो आगे लेना इज J कट।
He will tell what exactly he wants and you execute.
So but the technical term is L and J cut. Okay, and then we'll find another reaction of that person. How we have to find is, we have to again go to right click and reveal in browser. Okay, and the shortcut of this command is, you can see it's Shift F, or I'll perform Shift F, and straight away I am building my edits. Cut, going back to viewer, marking in out and placing my clip. Again going back to previous clip, finding it in the browser, marking the next in out points and dragging it to my timeline. Now before you are having this kind of problem, how to rectify that, means you have to listen each and every part and then cut the things. Now you will not find this problem. Okay, and if I at any time I want to move this in or this out, what I have to do is I have to trim. I'll click and I'll do a trim. Sometime it match. If it's a 2 cam, definitely it will match at any place wherever you move. But if it's a single cam, then maybe at some point it will get.
It is normal the case. Out of whatever footage you will be getting, if it is not a fight sequence, if it is not a dance sequence, okay, and if it is also not a chase sequence, if these three sequences are not there on the film, then you will get normally a single camera setup. Or if it is a big budget production, then I need to close up of this also, because I don't want to waste the time, where the camera is not important. Actor's time is important. Then you have a multi-camera setup.
Otherwise all the footage will come in a single camera, like this footage. All the takes, all the audios are
टीवी में तो सिंगल ही होता है।
बालाजी में सर कभी डबल करते हैं। तो will match things and move in our timeline. Okay, so this is trimming our clips. Another option I am showing, by which आप सबको लगेगा कि अब ये Premiere Pro जैसा दिखने लग गया है. How? So very easy, there is a button here called index. So you always watching this but didn't know what this perform. If I'll go here, you will find there are clips. So what these clips are, if I click on some clip, it's showing me at which place this clip is on my timeline. Okay, even if I MAH02411, I'll type in a search option MAH024, it show me all the clips I placed at different cuts on my timeline. It selection it selected all the clips. Even I can delete in one go. By this, if I marked my clip in a mannered way, it's an interview, it's a close-up, it's a long shot. So by here you can figure out where our long shots are on my timeline. Same way, the tags. If the clips are not marked, you can even tag your clip. I told you, like Naved and all. So that tag will get here. And another one is role. The role is video role and audio role. The yesterday sir asked how to change colors and all. So here is the point where we change colors. Okay, even it's showing me show and collapse this track. Okay, what is show and collapse? Let's close this index. I'm right clicking on it and I'm expanding audio component. So it's expanding audio and video separately so that we can even trim only audio part or only video part, and we are collapsing again. Now if on a timeline I perform this, now all the audio tracks get separated with video, but it's attached to the video. So now you can see it's very easy for me to perform trim edits. Everything is in my control now. Whether I have to overlap, whether I have to move clips here and there. If this clip is attached with audio, definitely it will be there. But if I'll move this clip, the audio and video is moving. If I want to insert this, what I have to do is I have to cut, I have to perform an insert, so that I have to cut here, shift. Why this audio didn't move? Because it attached to this clip. That's why this audio didn't move. And if I want to move this one too, by two reasons: either I have to unlink this audio with this video, or I have to break this audio too, and now it also will move. So now what I am doing, I am using this storyline as my trimming portion, not for my storyline. Now it's no more acting as a storyline. I'll create my story by my own. I'll use this as a trimming part of my story. I placed this edit, I joined it back, and I performed.
इससे बड़ी स्क्रीन चाहिए ना, मोबाइल से बड़ी स्क्रीन किसी की नहीं आती।
Again,
किसी की नहीं आती।
I cut, I want to cut here. I'll select Control B, cut whichever dialogue I want to take. I'll cut that, I'll paste here and perform my edit very fast. I want to insert some shot, I'll find that shot, I'll take an insert. I only want video, I'll go to this place and perform cue.
किसी की नहीं आती।
Okay,
बड़ी स्क्रीन।
let's
इसका मतलब
here
तू कह रहा है इस
never use talking part as an insert.
यार
Okay,
म्यूजिक सुन रहे
let's find some good reaction. This is the endpoint. Okay, I marked in, I marked out,
इसका मतलब तू
and cue.
इसका मतलब तू कह रहा है इससे बड़ी स्क्रीन चाहिए ना, मोबाइल।
ठीक है, it's performing as an
तू कह
insert.
रहा है इससे बड़ी स्क्रीन चाहिए। मोबाइल से बड़ी
Don't go with audios. I'll use your edited clip as a dialogue. Let's.
इसका मतलब तू कह रहा है इससे बड़ी स्क्रीन चाहिए इसका मतलब तू कह रहा है
Here I want to put reaction. So what I have to do is I have to find reaction. I have to place there and
मतलब
then
तू कह रहा है इस मोबाइल से बड़ी
and cut back to.
स्क्रीन किसी की नहीं आती
So now we are working fast. Now the editing is going. है ना? अभी आपको बस वो insert, edit ये सब सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. When you know the rules, you can break the rules. But to break the rules, you have to know the rules. ताकि आप पुलिस वालों से बच सको. तो this is how we actually edit on FCP 10. No need to use this track as you are editing more. But yes, if I want to insert something, I want this shot to place here. Either I can go up above. If I go up, this video will come up, but I only want audio. I'll go down. Now the video will not come, but
हुआ
audio will come.
स्क्रीन किसी की नहीं आती हुआ किसी की नहीं है इससे बड़ी स्क्रीन
So I'm placing the clip, but I'm using only as a audio, sorry, not video. Okay. So here it's part assigning the roles. What is assigning the roles? Let's say I'll play this.
इसका मतलब तू कह रहा है इस मोबाइल से बड़ी स्क्रीन किसी की नहीं आती
Why it's okay.
और आपको क्या
Let's say
इधर दे इधर दे इधर दे ये मेरा
from here I want to take a dialogue.
मेरा लेने चला और बबलू एक काम कर अब इनके लिए ये तो हो गया मेरा टेक्नो स्पार्क 6 से आप बुक कर दे ठीक है और आपको चाहिए तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है वहां पे जाओ और बुक करो टेक्नो स्पार्क 6 से
Cut. I want to mark this as my favorite shot because the dialogue is okay. So what I have to do to mark a favorite is place F. F for favorite. Mark F. Okay. What it will do is as soon as I mark F, you can see it's coming green. And if I'll select from all clips to my favorites, now only from in to out,
मेरा लेने चला और बबलू
only
एक काम कर,
that clip,
अब इनके लिए
the
ये
part.
तो हो गया मेरा टेक्नो स्पार्क 6 से आप बुक कर दे ठीक है और आपको चाहिए तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है वहां पे जाओ और बुक करो टेक्नो स्पार्क 6 से
only that part is coming as a master clip. This is called favoriting. But it's still there in clips, but we made a part. What if it having the second dialogue? Let's say we have another dialogue inside it, like this searching part is also a shot which I want to take from this clip. I'll again placed in shot, in point, I again placed out point, I again pressed F. Now there are two green points. So what this did is, if I go to favorites, it's another shot with that in and out point. Now I not have to go to that previous browser window. I only can search my OK shots. This is the better way to find out our shots. First of all, I go to browsers, I check all the dialogues, I marked in favorite, and then only editing these favorites to my editing.